How would you make a comma-separated string from a list of strings? What would be your preferred way to concatenate strings from a sequence such that between every two consecutive pairs a comma is added? That is, how do you map, for instance, A, B, C to a B, C? The cases and should be mapped as and, respectively. I usually end up using something like .join map lambda x column x plus L column minus 1, but also feeling somewhat unsatisfied.
This won't work if the list contains integers. And if the list contains non-string types, such as integers, floats, bools, none, then do.
Why the map/lambda magic? Doesn't this work? In case if there are numbers in the list, you could use list comprehension or a generator expression.
.join L will not work for all cases. I'd suggest using the CSV module with Stringio.
Here is an alternative solution in Python 3.0 which allows non-string list items. A standard way. The alternative solution. Note, the space after comma is intentional.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.